Hello guys, hello mga katropa. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Bago ko po i-record itong song na to, meron muna po tayong special mention. Ito yung request niya sa akin kay sa family Ducot from Santa Mesa. Dati kong kasama sa trabaho si Chef Marky Ducot. Parehas kami nasa Jeddah ngayon pero other company na siya. Ito po para sa inyong lahat, para sa inyong family. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we went to everything there is. Can't imagine anything we miss. Can't imagine anything but two of us can do. Through the years, you'll never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest things I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I'm staying right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to listen to before, and I swear you told me everything I know. Can't imagine any time once so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything's wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I'll never head it out. We've always worked things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years.